If you're experiencing controller drift in Call of Duty, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate the issue. Step 1. Clean the controller. Start by cleaning your controller thoroughly. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the analog sticks and the surrounding areas. Dirt and debris can cause drift, so ensure everything is free of grime. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. Go into the game settings and adjust the dead zone for your controller. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate the effects of drift by requiring a larger movement before the game registers input from the analog sticks. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your controller. Manufacturers often release updates that can fix issues like drift. Connect your controller to your console or PC and follow the instructions to update. Step 4. Use a controller repair kit. If cleaning and settings adjustments don't work, consider using a controller repair kit. These kits typically include tools and replacement parts that can help you fix or replace the analog stick components that may be causing the drift. Step 5. Replace the controller. If all else fails and the drift persists, it may be time to invest in a new controller. Look for one that is known for durability and has good reviews regarding drift issues to avoid similar problems in the future. By following these steps, you can hopefully resolve controller drift and enhance your gaming experience. Good luck and happy gaming!